Okay.
So welcome Austin to Eugenics.
Thank you so much.
And we'll have a small chit chat for our viewers regarding your expertise and the way you have been a legend in the field of martial arts, and you hold, I think, multiple Guinness Book of World Records also. Yeah. And I must compliment you, you don't look your age at all.
Oh, thank you.
You are 67, but
Yes.
still, in spite of having family history of androgenetic alopecia, you never had male pattern baldness. So we'll talk about your field now and not about hair or eugenics.
I see. Well, I was born in Malaysia.
Okay.
So at a very young age, I think I was always just sick. I mean, at that particular time in the 50s, I mean, the medical things wasn't as advanced as now, right? So my mom took me to the temple, and then some monk teach me some breathing exercises. So that's how I start getting into martial art, you see? And then I started to get better and strong. So I become addicted to the training of the breathing, and it's also related to martial art. So I practiced martial arts in my country, and eventually at the age of 17, I went to London. And very lucky for me, I found one of the great teacher in martial art. And the reason I want to do it, number one, is to obviously get stronger physically, and emotionally and mentally. So martial art that I practice is called Wing Chun, and the reason I like that the particular art because it was invented by a woman. But most martial art invented by a man. They're all physical strength and power. That flexibility, is very important as a human being. So that's how I started learning. And then when the university, I wanted to become a teacher. So I was teaching like physical education and biology and English language. When I was training martial art my day, I was very passionate about it. I think the passion is the one that keep me going. You see? I think it's not about what you want to be or what you want, it's about the passion. And then
You
the goal
enjoy
will
the
come.
journey.
Yeah, the journey, yeah. I was enjoying the journey.
Yes.
The hardship. I mean, to me, it's not hardship that people say very hard training. Yeah, if I don't have this hardship from my teacher, I will not be what I am. Understanding the Eastern philosophy that I also westernized, right? Studied the Western biology, health, and you see, so this is what the natural method is all about.
Correct. Yeah. And we have Austin's channel where we can see all the details, where how each and every problem of the body can be addressed, and they are just simple exercises free from side effects and very short exercises. I've started following your channel and I'll be looking up to solutions over there, health solutions. So it seems inspiring, and of course there are no side effects. And what about that concept of life energy, the breath energy? We concentrate on one part of the body.
The key thing is the concept of life energy is breathing. You see, in the natural method, in the martial art concept, that we believe that our body changes every 7 years. Every 7 years, our cells die and reborn again.
Okay.
So that's why every 7 years we prepare our body. So the key thing is breathing. When you breathe in, oxygenated, the blood is oxygenated, which is very important, right? And then the second thing is when you breathe, there are many types of breathing, right? So we want to make it very easy for everyone to breathe. For example, when I want to get rid of any stress in my body, so I just get it all out, right, through our mouth, because the mouth area is much bigger, and then it get it all out, and it's still air in the lungs. You see? So that's the number one thing. Okay. So before we move into a new house, we need to clean the house, right?
Absolutely.
So that's the same thing in our lungs. So before we want to bring in the new oxygen, we need to get rid of all the stale air. So that's our basic breathing. The second breathing is now we want to get rid of all the stale air and all this stress inside our lungs. We would want to bring in the good oxygen. So we breathe into our nose, a bit slower, and then breathe out to our nose. So our focus is only breathing in the breath. Why breathe into the nose? Breathe out to the nose, and the less air coming up, and give more time for the lungs to process the oxygen into the heart. That's why they do that. So these are the two basic breathing. Obviously, there are some deeper breathing, like advanced one, but sometimes we realize that when people do too deep breathing, that they can't take it. They get dizzy, that the blood too much oxygen to the head and to the brain. So therefore, we need to start from the basic one first.
So we've also been told hyperventilation. It increases the pH of the blood, and we tend to develop dizziness of the brain. So that is true. But deep breathing, if done in a correct manner with a good teacher, we can get rid of stress chemicals, and we can get rid of the toxins.
That's right. Yeah. Well, so in the natural, we want to build out slowly. There's a process. So A, B, C, D, E, F, C. So it's depend on individual, right? Everyone is different. So in the natural method, we all based on individualism. So as I said, your head 80% like that, maybe 20% different, right?
Correct.
So you can't use the same thing.
Correct.
To check, So you look at that. So that's why we have what we call a precise diagnosis. You see? So the YouTube videos is a general videos.
Correct.
So people will come to us, and then we will give it more deeper. For example, as you said, some anger might be like that, so we can't use that system.
Correct.
So we got to use the other system.
Every human body is different. It has to be tackled differently. And the strategy of the doctor and the practitioner has to be altered.
Yeah, that's right. So, but we will give you the basic guideline in the natural method. So your physical health, all right. So all your lungs and organs and muscle. Then your emotional health, and then mental health, and then obviously your financial health. And then finally your behavior and character. This is our 5 basic guideline in the natural method.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Austin.
You're welcome.
Yeah, for give us a very good introduction about your method, and we'll definitely go through this more and more. We'll dive into.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.